Get your screw on the end of your thing there, put it through. Got to screw it to the sensor. Not too tight, you got to leave it loose. Get your bottom screw in. Leave it loose so you can turn it. You hold it in place. Make sure the slide goes through and it's not hitting. Reach in. And tighten her down.
That way it holds it in the smooth operating location.
We're ready for our hold.
Put the self tappers in. Chances are the strike plate won't be perfectly plumb and square in there, but it's where the slide comes from the door into the contact that is where it has to be for the smooth operation. There you go. Of course, the trick is to do this before the D panel's on, so it's a one-man operation. That way you can really get the feel for where the smoothest spot is for that strike plate to be.